What's up guys, Mr. Baofeng here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the AlertWorks EAR10 weather radio. I literally just got this thing not even 5 minutes ago, and without installing, let's get this started. There she is, in all her glory. This thing is actually decently heavy. I honestly expected it to be lighter. Well, anyways, pop the top off. The little side flaps out. Get whatever that's at. Out. Instruction manual. And the actual units. Oh god. This thing is actually a lot bigger than I expected. Plastic one. Nice. Alright, let's get this plugged in real quick. I got a spot dedicated for it as well. I'm going to go over there on my nightstand where this AccuRite the clock used to be, but it's all but useless now because it's not detecting the temperature sensor outside. The power input port is all jacked up, and little laser lamp projector thing doesn't work anymore. So out with its plug. And then with the AlertWorks plug. Damn, this thing looks really nice. You're gonna do voice. And no. because I don't know individual codes, I'm just going to leave this set to any.
Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not.
Beautiful. Almost forgot to set time. And that's this video done. Later.